Welcome to Beyondskool, India's leading skill education partner. We collaborate with schools to integrate skill-based programs that empower students to excel in the 21st century. Beyond traditional academics, we prepare students with skills that truly matter. Our mission is to bridge the skill gap and empower students for a dynamic future. With our presence in 16 cities, including Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, and many more, we're shaping education across India. Beyondskool integrates 3 cutting-edge labs into school curriculums, each packed with tailored modules. Communication Lab, designed in collaboration with Trinity College London, this lab transforms hesitant speakers into confident communicators. This lab enhances public speaking, drama and performance narration, poetry, voice modulation, comic writing, advertising campaigns, MUN, and debating, making news reportage. STEM Lab, created alongside scientists from HK Yust and accredited by STEM.org, this lab prepares students to become technology creators. Through robotics, coding, AI, and project-based learning, we foster innovation. The modules include game design, web design app, development circuits and sensors, mechatronics, microbit programming, Python, and data analysis. 3D designing and printing, aerodynamics, AI advanced financial literacy lab, built with input from C as bankers and MB, as students learn money management through simulations, budgeting basics to plan finances effectively, investing fundamentals for financial independence. Module includes evolution of money and currency tax system in India, savings and investments, cryptocurrency, equity and stock markets, banking and loans insurance, risk and reward entrepreneurship. Our solution is comprehensive, offering expert teachers to deliver engaging lessons, internationally researched books for globally benchmarked learning, Be Smart learning management system for seamless education delivery, impact assessments to measure progress through projects and portfolios. Through our 2x2 matrix assessment, we track student growth in critical areas like creative thinking, computational skills, and financial behavior. This ensures every child's development is measurable and impactful. Here's what school leaders have to say.
Currently, we are running STEM program from Beyondskool for grade 1 to 10 students.
And I can see the change in the children, coming on stage and performing.
Parents report that their child's listening skills are refined through effective communication skills.
Let us also see what our students have to share.
I like Beyondskool's communication lab. I love communication skills very much and I improve my English skills in next level.
The topic is very well understood by us because of her.
Our programs have reached over 200 schools and impacted 150,000 plus students across India. With a 90% principal satisfaction index, transform your school with Beyondskool. Visit gobeyondskool.com today to schedule a live demo and experience the future of education.